I take train every day, but I never see anyone driving before. Maybe a guy make magic potion so that the train can move. Hello.
Hi, I'm Uncle Roy.
Can you explain to me your job?
Uncle's job title here is Customer Service Officer. Uncle will drive the train and assist the passengers on board Uncle's train.
How do the train move?
Well, Uncle will drive the train by pushing the driving control handle forward so that will give the power of the train to move. When the train is reaching the MRT station, then Uncle will have to slow down the train.
Thank you, Uncle, for working so hard.
You are most welcome.
But why today you are not working?